Title: The most important scientific health benefits of beetroot for the human body. Assalamu alaikum everyone, my dear viewers. Today I'm excited to share with you some important and popular scientific health benefits of beetroot for the human body. Beetroot is not only a vibrant, delicious vegetable, but also a powerhouse of nutrients that can greatly support your health. Here are some of the most significant scientific benefits of beetroot. 1. Rich in nutrients. Beetroot is packed with essential nutrients like folate, potassium, vitamin C, and fiber, which are vital for overall health. 2. Boosts blood flow. Beetroot is high in nitrates, which can improve blood circulation and help lower blood pressure by widening the blood vessels. 3. Enhances physical performance. Due to its nitrate content, beetroot is known to enhance athletic performance by improving oxygen use and stamina. 4. Supports heart health. Regular consumption of beetroot can help reduce the risk of heart diseases by lowering blood pressure and inflammation. 5. Aids in digestion. The high fiber content in beetroot promotes healthy digestion, preventing constipation and supporting a healthy gut. 6. Improves brain function. The nitrates in beetroot can also help improve cognitive function and reduce the risk of dementia by increasing blood flow to the brain. 7. Detoxifies the body. Beetroot supports liver function by helping the body detoxify and eliminate harmful toxins. 8. Supports weight loss. Beetroot is low in calories and high in water content, making it an excellent food for those looking to manage their weight. Its fiber also helps you feel full for longer periods. 9. Boosts immunity. The rich content of vitamin C in beetroot helps boost the immune system, aiding the body in fighting off infections and illnesses more effectively. 10. Promotes healthy skin. The antioxidants in beetroot, such as betalains and vitamin C, can help improve skin health by protecting it from oxidative stress and promoting collagen production for healthier, more youthful skin. 11. Anti-inflammatory properties. Beetroot contains betalains, which have been shown to have anti-inflammatory properties, potentially helping to reduce chronic inflammation and related diseases such as arthritis. 12. Regulates blood sugar. Some studies suggest that beetroot may help improve insulin sensitivity and regulate blood sugar levels, making it potentially beneficial for people with diabetes. Eat poor those looking to manage their blood sugar. 13. Improves eye health. Beetroot contains lutein and zeaxanthin, antioxidants that are beneficial for eye health, helping to reduce the risk of cataracts and age-related macular degeneration. 14. Fights cancer. Some research indicates that the antioxidants in beetroot, particularly betalains, may help prevent the growth of cancer cells by reducing oxidative stress and inflammation in the body. Beetroot can be beneficial for thyroid health due to its rich nutrient profile. Here's how beetroot may support those with thyroid issues. Rich in antioxidants. Beetroot is high in antioxidants, such as betalains and vitamin C, which help reduce oxidative stress, potentially supporting thyroid function. Supports detoxification. Beetroot helps detoxify the liver, which is important for those with thyroid disorders. A healthy liver ensures proper hormone metabolism, including thyroid hormones. Contains magnesium. Beetroot contains magnesium, which is crucial for proper thyroid function. A deficiency in magnesium can negatively impact the thyroid gland. However, it's important to note that beetroot contains goitrogens, compounds that can interfere with thyroid hormone production, particularly in people with iodine deficiency or hypothyroidism. For most people, moderate consumption of beetroot should not cause issues, but it's always best to consult with a healthcare provider regarding specific dietary concerns related to thyroid disease. My dear viewers, I hope you find these benefits helpful. Don't forget to include beetroot in your diet and share these amazing health advantages with your family and friends. Thank you for watching, and make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more health tips.